Hello my friends and welcome back to the June what am I going to be using video. So I have everything here in my gigantic folder of, oh my god, like so much stuff in here to go through to show you what I'm going to be using in the month of June. I've got two planners and both of them are here on either side of me to show you which planners I'm using. So I have my TPC planner and I've got actually little sticky notes to remind myself of what kit I was planning on for each time. But this is what the setup looks like. So when you're doing when I'm doing my plan with me, you can see what the base looks like of this planner, and this is a 7x9, and this is the TPC planner, and I have just the weeks and months. There's months on here too, which I already have this one filled out for the month of June. So that is my monthly for June, and I know it is it is a 4th of July kit, but I really liked both 4th of July kits that Planner Pixie Co had, and so I'm using one in June and one in July. So I liked them both, and I know I couldn't make up my mind, so there, I'm using both. Doesn't matter. And then I'm using my Avalon at 9th planner for, this is another 7x9, and this is the way the layout is for this one. I'll take off these because I actually changed it. So this is the layout. So this is kind of more probably what you're used to with like Erin Condren type style, where you've got your normal sidebar and then your weeks laid out and then your days of the week at the top. So that is the 7x9, and I'm getting to the end. I only have one more month in this one, and then I start the new one, which I already have sitting off to the side waiting to go. But this is this layout. So set that off to the side. And then this is my little binder, and this is how I I shove a lot of stuff in here, a lot more than just what I'm using for the monthlies, but this is where I keep them so I don't have to go looking. In the big pocket here in the front, I have my June Wacky Holidays. This is from Craft Penguin Planner. So I use these all the time, and I kind of switch back and forth between the two planners as to which one's going to have the Wacky Holidays on what week. Just depends on which ones I can fit it into. So that's that, and then we'll get into the kits. So for week 1, I have it kind of labeled. So week 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, this is my TPC planner. You can see here it's got dividers. So, and I put little stickers on here. So this is week 1 and 2, and this is week 3 and 4 for my TPC. So I'll go through this right now. You can tell, oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. You can tell right from the top that some of these are kind of, sorry, you can hear my dogs barking because my son just got home from work and they're excited. They're excited to see him. So I wanted to use so since Father's Day is in June, I wanted to use some kits that were kind of reminded me of my husband, and one of the movies that we really love and we've always loved is Goonies, and so this is the SPC kit, and it's called Goonies. So this is a little freebie extra that came with it with all the kit colors, and then here's all the full boxes. I still haven't gotten used to these shiny boxes. So I do have a pen that's supposed to write on these just fine, and we'll see. We'll see. But I love this double box right here with the ship in the cave, and I love the map, double box of the map. It's really, really well done kit. Then you've got this page. I'm not going to go through what each page is, but look at these double boxes. I love that house. You've got all of this page, and this one. I love his. It's got that background with the faces. It's so cute. And then the washi. And another full box. So tons of stuff here for me to use. So that's going to be the first week, and that's SPC. I still haven't picked the foil yet, so I'm not even going to bother trying to pick it with you guys because I don't even know if I'm going to use foil on some of these kits. Probably not on any of the ones like this, and I have more than one company that uses this shiny paper, so I probably won't foil that. Because here's the other one. So this is Glam Planner. I've been hanging on to this kit for a while. This is the Moana kit, and I really, really love it. And I've been waiting kind of for a time to use it, and I just can't find a time. So I decided that June is going to be my catch-all. A few Father's Day kits like smattered here and there, but mostly what it's going to be is just the stuff that I've been hanging on to for a while, and I just really want to use it. And I don't have a theme. It's just what I want. So this is the little freebie double box. Double box, like the tall boxes. I love that. Glitter. And then the full boxes. I like that. That's cute. And then I hate this layout. Like I hate these hearts they're always like it just doesn't seem like it goes, but whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Another beautiful double box right there. If I was planning on going to like Hawaii or something like that, this would be a perfect kit, but I can't go anywhere. I just can't afford it. Can't afford it. I mean, I've got a couple of vacations planned. I'm not going to say that I'm not doing anything, but I'm definitely not going anywhere like exotic or out of the country because I can't barely afford to get around my own country, let alone leave it. So, and no, I know Hawaii's but still expensive. So anyway, that's my stupid little rant. I'm sorry. I'm still fuming about how much I just had to pay for plane tickets to go back to Massachusetts in September. I love this kit. It's really, really pretty. And since I'm not going anywhere like that, I'm going to use it. Just going to use it. Next up is the second week. I'm sorry, third and fourth week. So this is, I've decided that I'm going to add that extra week in. So even though it's going to sound a little strange, I have 5 kits for the TPC, 4 kits for the Avalon 9th because I've already filled out a week and I'll show it to you in the Avalon 9th planner. So I've got 3 weeks here. So this one is going to be on the week of Father's Day, and it has really nothing to do with my husband. He's not a James Bond fan, but my father-in-law loves James Bond. So as kind of like a catch-all Father's Day thing, I'm going to be using this one. And I think it's adorable. It's a little die cut, the full boxes. That's funny. With Manny and Owen. I've just been waiting for a good time to use this, and I think this is the perfect time. Your date covers, the washi, and the check boxes, shaken not stirred, and then the extras page, which is one of my favorite pages with my favorite little TVs on it. And so this one is going to be the week of Father's Day in the TPC Nation Planner. So I'll set that off to the side, and then we'll move into this one. I got this one. This is Planner Pixie Co. and another one of those movies that we just absolutely love and I love. And so I wanted to do, I just wanted to do it. So I'm doing it. So this is all the full boxes. And this one you can, with Planner Pixie Co., you can either get them sent to you, like she can make it and send it to you, or you can download them and print them and cut them yourself. So since I obviously can do that, I do that most of the time. Carl and Ellie, that's so cute. And you get so many boxes, you get so many pages when you print and cut your own. It's like you can't even possibly use all these boxes. So I will most definitely have enough to use in more than one planner or more than 1 week. I love this right here. I love that box. And this last page. So that one is called Adventure Awaits, Planner Pixie Co. And then the last one is one that, this was like one of the very first Happy Day subscriptions that I got. And it came in like the fall. And it just was like, no way was I going to use this in the fall. But I thought it would be a perfect like start of summer, what weather's getting warmer. So these are the sticker die cuts. I'm not going to take them out, but you can kind of get the idea of what the kit is. And then you've got 150 billion pages. So you've got all of these little positive affirmations. Look on the bright side, but they're kind of look into the bright side. What does that say? Eat best, forget the rest. So it's like a fruit. Actually, I don't think, yeah, it's called Juicy Fruits is the name of the kit. So here are some little note boxes. These aren't the clear ones, but she does these quite often with like the wreaths in them and then all the deco and stuff. But so there's like there's a payday there, mail, read a book. Like there's things that you can use as icons. This one would be a cute one for going grocery shopping or going to like the farmer's market. That would be cute. So there's that. Then you got all the check boxes and movie marquees, more check boxes, and then here's all of your full boxes. And these are the foiled. And you get foiled and unfoiled. So this is 2 weeks worth of kits, I think. Let me double check though. So here's your foil boxes. Here's all of your dividers. Yeah, so you'll get 1 full set of foiled and 1 full set of non-foiled. So this is the non-foiled. All of your little extra boxes. I like mixing them. I mix and match so that I use them mostly like the foiled ones in places where I don't plan on writing very much because even though I have a pen that supposed to work, it still smears a little bit. If you don't like leave it alone for 5,000 hours to dry, it'll still smear. So here's all of your icons and your like little decos. So this is going to be the 5th week, which I thought would be perfect, like transition into that first week of July. So there's that one. So I can finally use my Happy Day kit. I've been hanging on to this one for like a long time. So now we'll get into the Avalon and 9th planner. So for the first week in the Avalon and 9th, I wanted to use my Itty Bitty Sticker Co. I wanted to use this one because I thought it was really, really pretty. It has matching, like there's a bunch of washies here. So this is the one that I'm going to use with it, which is the matching washi. So we've got our full boxes. It's a very small kit, so I will have to bring in some functionals to go with it, but it's a pretty neutral palette, so it won't be difficult to find extra boxes to go with it. So it's just a 4-page kit, but this one's going to go in my Avalon and 9th. And it's got the washi with it. Then this one, this one. This is a me and my husband kit, so we both love this movie. Love, love, love this movie. So we're going to use this one's from Sticker Geek called Storming the Castle. A lot of oddly shaped boxes. I do not know how I'm going to use it. We'll figure it out when I get to it, but I love all of them, so nothing will get cut down. These will get used in their full form of the weekly days of the week. All these little strips down here. So this is a kind of an odd, like would be a nice sidebar. Just put this whole thing on the sidebar. That's cute. I just love this. And then there's a bunch of like quotes and this is all hand-drawn stuff from Sticker Geek. But I got pretty much everything I could possibly get with it. So that way I'm not trying to figure out, like I'm not looking and hurting for boxes. Look at this. This one, they're going down the hill. As you wish. It's just adorable. I mean, they did a great job. So that one is definitely a me and hubby type kit. And I'll show you the one I did for Father's Day already is finished. I did a plan with me with it, so you've already seen it, but so you know that's that week. So we're done already with the Father's Day week. So that's why there's only 4 kits in this side and 5 in the other one. Then I've been hoarding my Some Little Things and not using them, and I've decided to use them. So we're going to use our Some Little Things this month. So we've got the washi. So this one is the little greenhouse. So these are like little decos. Here's all your full boxes, and this is like a rose gold foil over the top, but it's got all the little characters. There's my no-no. I love my no-no. They're all like little plants, and then here's all like your functional pages in the kit colors. Has a little bit of a strange like layout for me, but it all works. It all works. Weekend banner, check boxes, and your date covers and your date dots. So it's super cute. It's a small kit. I'm sure I can find some functionals to pull into it if I need them, but we'll see what I end up needing. So that's that one. Been hanging on to all of those for a long time. And then this one I just hauled, so you'll see it in the haul as well, but this is the Avalon and 9th Bright Beach. And I thought this was the great transition into the July, you know, that last week of June, first week of July. I thought this would be a perfect little transition. Gorgeous, bright colors, beautiful, very beachy vibes, book vibes. I love it. So look at this washi. Just like, wow. Wow, it's so pretty. So these are all the pages that you get. This is like the deluxe kit. It's just so bright. I love it. Functional page. This, an ocean breeze puts the mind at ease. I like that as my weekend banner. And then you've got a couple sets of date covers and your glitter. So that is the last kit for the month. Like I said, I do not know about the foil yet. I don't know if I'm going to use it. Some of these kits are already foiled. Some of them are the like shiny papered ones that I don't want to put foil over. So I'm not sure if I'm even going to use foil this month. We'll see. Anyway, you'll find out when I do my plan with me's. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. And yeah, let me know down below what you have planned for the summer and if you're going to be doing a lot of summery kits for June, July, or if you're going more traditional Father's Day, June stuff, 4th of July, July stuff. I'm just kind of curious what everybody else is doing. And I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I will see you again soon. Bye.